Robotics has come a long way in the past few years. From the first robots that were used in manufacturing to the advanced humanoid robots of today, robots have been changing our world in many ways. Today, we will explore how robots are changing the world and how they are transforming different industries. In the manufacturing industry, robots have been revolutionizing the way we build things. With their speed and precision, robots can assemble products faster and more accurately than humans. In the medical industry, robots are being used to perform surgeries. With their accuracy and precision, robots can perform surgeries with minimal invasive techniques, reducing recovery times for patients. In the warehousing industry, robots are being used to move and organize products. With their speed and efficiency, robots can move products around warehouses faster than humans. Robots are also being used in the education industry. In the space industry, robots are being used to explore the universe. With their ability to withstand extreme conditions, robots can explore planets and other celestial bodies that humans cannot. As we can see, watching.